Using emotions in your storytelling can be very powerful. The tone of a story sets the overall mood and atmosphere, shaping the reader's emotional response to the narrative. Different parts of the story might require different tones. For example, the middle of your story might be quite tense and scary if you're writing a thriller, but the ending might be happy. There are various tones that can be employed in storytelling, including angry, hopeful, surprised, worried, and more. The tone is conveyed through the choice of words, the pacing of the story, the character's dialogue, and the overall writing style. For example, a serious tone might be used in a dramatic or somber story to evoke a sense of gravity and tension, while a humorous tone can lighten the mood and entertain readers. It's up to you, the author of your work, to decide which emotion you should set at which time. This is the human element that AI isn't going to replicate. Use the tones to connect with your readers' emotions. Let's see what happens if we inject anger into the paragraph. In the middle of the paragraph, we now have anger boils inside her as she realizes the depth of their betrayal. Now let's try the emotion of lonely. Now, instead of the anger, our paragraph is showing the phrases, leaving her feeling isolated and lost in a world that once felt so familiar. This is a very tense situation and one that's not very happy. So what happens if we put thankful into the equation? Now our text reads, there are still people in her life that care for her, who support her, and who are willing to help her through this difficult time, and for that, she is eternally grateful. So as you can see, you, as the writer, have a huge scope of emotions that you can play around with and apply to your characters. For more information, visit ProWritingTools.com. What's your story?